gonna sleep like this? I need answers. I need answers. Hello? Hello, I need answers. Welcome to my channel. I'm Navy Marlowe. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks for tuning in. For all of you guys who are returning viewers, thanks for rocking with your girl. I don't have that many viewers right now, but I feel like the ones I have, I see you. I see you. So today I'm going to do a flexi rod look, flexi rod style. I don't even know what you call it. Sorry, I'm all scratching on my nose. That's so unprofessional. That's so not YouTube-ish. Girl, bye. Okay, I have never done this style before, you guys. So this is going to be the first time. You guys are going to see it first, just like I'm going to see it first. So this is a real video. This is not one of those, oh, look, I slayed it to the gods, you know, knowing there's some behind the scenes stuff that we don't know about, you know, us regular people. I have 4C hair. My hair is very thick. It does not hold a curl. It just won't hold a curl to save my life. But I'm thinking, you know, flexi rod. I'm going to add some mousse and some gel to it. So we're going to see what it do. And I'm going to make it do what it do. So I'm going to try it. And if you guys want to watch me do a flexi rod set, stay tuned.
Real Life Women Productions. Real Life Women Productions. Real Life Women Productions. Real Life Women Productions.
Okay, ladies, let me give y'all the real on this hairstyle. Like, I have watched a lot of videos of this Flexi rod set, and I was very hesitant to do it because I saw so many, and it wasn't the videos, it was in the comments where people were saying, you know, it's a whole to-do, the curls don't last. I'm like I told you guys in the beginning of this video, my hair does not hold a curl to save its life. The only time my hair holds a curl if I do a twist out, and that's me adding all kind of products or, you know, a lot of curling creams to it to kind of define that look. But let me tell you guys, like, this is such a cute style. The curls turned out really cute. This little Shirley Temple curl, it is so cute. It's a perfect Shirley Temple curl. I am pleased. I am more than pleased. It turned out better than what I expected it to turn out. What I can say, the only con, but this will come with trial and error, is I got a lot of flakes. You guys see that? So I'm assuming it's the mousse that I use. I mean, my hair is just flaky, like flake beyond. If I shake my hair, I got the flakes. If you guys can see that, I got the flakes dropping. And I use this mousse. Where's the mousse? I use this mousse, this Iso Plus mousse. This is an old school mousse that I had in my cabinet for so long because I don't use mousse that often. The only time I use mousse is when I'm doing it on them ladies back there, my wigs, is I use it for my flyaways on my wigs. So I just so happen to have mousse in the closet for me to use. But I know for a fact that next time I do this, I would use a better mousse because I feel like although this mousse says it's alcohol free and all that, I feel like it has a lot of, you know, not natural good products in there to really make your hair soft or whatnot. I just feel like I need a different type of mousse. Like, it's really bad. I mean, like, extremely bad. Like, this curl here is flaked up to the T. But other than that, like, I love it. Now, I know for a fact, like I was telling you guys earlier in this video, I have 4C hair and it's very thick. I'm natural. I've been natural for 15 plus years now. So I know my hair wouldn't really last that long with these curls. I probably could get about 2 or 3 days. Right now I'm probably good because it's cold outside, it's cool, so my hair will, you know, the curls will stay a little bit longer. But once it gets warm outside, if I was to try this when it's warm, once that humidity hit this thing, baby, let me tell you, boo, it will be a whole afro. A whole, not a half afro. It will be a whole afro with the fist in the air, honey. So, and I'm sure some of my 4C girls, y'all feel my struggle. You know the struggle. If you got that 4C hair, boo, you know when that humidity hits. It's gonna be a trial and error thing for me. So next time I'll probably try a different mousse. Please, do you guys recommend any mousses? Do you know any mousses? Is that mousses? Any mousse products that you use that works well for you, particularly for your real hair that doesn't leave any type of flaking? Please comment in the comment section below and let me know. I did use the Eco Styling Gel on my ends because I saw in other reviews where they said, like, when you wrapped your hair around the roller, the ends wouldn't stick to the roll. I actually put just a little bit, because you don't want it to be hard and crisp. You still want it to be natural looking, defined a little bit, but not like hard, crisp, and crunchy. So if you were thinking about doing a Flexi rod set, I would recommend it highly. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Feel free to like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, still like it, because you watching right now. So no, just joking. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that now so you can get more of my hair and makeup and fashion videos. But I'm glad you guys hung out with me and rock with me through this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and my little tutorial. And again, let me know what you guys thought about this hairstyle. Is it something that you will wear? And another thing too I didn't care for is those curling rods. sleeping with this, girl, I would, this is a style that I probably, you know, if I liked it that much, I couldn't do it that often because, and I like to get my 8 hours of sleep. I tossing and turning and sleeping right. You know, I know as women, we do a lot to be beautiful, but you know, but I, sleeping with this, that was another kind. I wouldn't sleep. And I don't know how I'm going to preserve this. That's another thing. If you guys know how to preserve this, comment in the comments and let me know. Should I pull this up? I mean, I don't recurl it. Do I just put a bonnet on? I didn't even think about the aftermath of this. So yes, please, by all means, recommend me some mousse and let me know how I'm supposed to protect this at night and wrap this up at night, because I honestly have no clue. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.